All right, welcome back to my channel. And like I said in the previous voice notes, I'm going to be putting you through the process of creating a Microsoft account so that we could have access to some of the materials and resources that we have there for updating or upgrading our knowledge and for certification purposes. So launch your browser, and on your browser, as you can see on my screen, just type learn.microsoft.com. Learn, that is Learn .microsoft.com. And once you do that, you press the enter key and it launches and takes you down to this very site or interface. It says Microsoft Learn is where everyone comes to learn. Okay, so discover new skills, find certifications, and advance your career in minutes with interactive hands-on learning parts. So the next thing we'll do is click on the Explore Learn button. And it takes us to, yes, this particular site or page. And thereafter, we are going to click on the sign in button. You can see the sign in button towards the top right corner of this page. Okay, but before we do that, let's just look through what we have here. Okay, it says welcome to Microsoft Learn. Discover your path, whether you are just starting or an experienced professional. Our hands-on approach helps you arrive at your goals faster, with more confidence, and at your own pace. Okay, you can actually customize your path, and you can do a whole lot. You can decide to just access any of the contents we have here. All these are courses. Okay, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, describe core Azure concept, getting started building with Power BI or BI, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. There are a whole lot. Just discover data analysis and a whole lot. So just pick the course that is in line with what you want to really achieve or what you want to expand your knowledge on. All right, so I'm going to click on the sign in button now. And that will enable us to either sign in if you already have an account, an operational account, or you want to create one. So I want to assume here that I'm entirely new and I want to create one. So I'm going to click on the create one link, and it will require that I enter an account. Okay. All right, so I'm going to be creating one for, okay, let me say colleague now. Adenira dot Adedamola art outlook.com. All right, so now you may be wondering why I'm using Outlook. Okay, and why am I not using Microsoft.com? I could either use Outlook, I could either use Hotmail. I can equally even use Gmail. Any account will go, but let me use this for now. Okay. All right, so I'm going to click on the next button, and it's required. I'm required here to enter a password. All right, so I did Adedamola for now. I'll just create just any password for you. Okay, so I'm starting with a capital letter. I'm going to disclose that to you later. It's not just for you and I alone. Okay, so that has been created, and I'm going to click on next. Now, when you're creating your password, most times, please ensure that it's something that you can remember. Okay, ensure it's something you can remember at any point in time. All right, so we're getting close to creating an account and having access to the Microsoft environment. So there's a puzzle that I need to solve. So I'm going to click on the next button, and then puzzle says I should pick the doc. Okay, so we're going to do this doc. Okay, let's do it together. All right, so one done. Okay, I'm still picking a duck. Where's the duck? Wow, the duck is here already. And then I'm done. So I think I am successful here. So this is just a process of creating an account, okay, with Microsoft. So let me close this one. And I think I should be, yes, yes. You're signing as Adinira.yes. I am the one, so click on next. All right, by becoming a member, you understand and acknowledge that your Microsoft Docs membership means a network of sites, blah, 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 and all that. So a display name, okay? So I want to create one for you, and I'll just use Damola. Okay, Damola, I think that should be okay. All right. So it wants me to do all of this. I can decide to skip, okay? So Damola, once you're in, you could go ahead and continue with this process. But if you actually want to continue, you choose your country, okay? You can choose the country and all that, but because of our time, permit me to skip, okay? All right, so select roles you're interested in. I can decide also to skip, okay? So Damola, at this point again, I'm gonna skip. I can just select this. You can always edit it, you know, from your profile. So let me just click on that alone for now. Is there anything I can pick for you? Information Protection Administration, business owner, administrator. Okay, I think that should be all for now. And I click on next. Okay, my level. I can, like I said, if I'm not sure, I can. But let me just click on beginner. Okay, next. All right, products you're interested in. If you're not sure, I can just click on this. All right, so congratulations, you have successfully created your profile. Click on proof, okay, and it should take me there now. All right, so this is it. So welcome back, Damola. So once you're done creating your account, I think the next thing is to explore the various contents we have. Like I said, it could be anything, okay, but it has to be related to, you know, what you want to boost about your career, okay? So you can go down to roles, you know, select, you know, a particular role. We have ranging from administrator down to developer, educator, and so on and so forth. So we can just decide to create on anyone. But because we are educators here, mostly, so I'm going to click on educator, and this is the environment for educator. We can choose just about any course you want. And you can also make use of the search box here to search for any course. So I'm going to stop here for now. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to, you know, leverage on some of the content, search for them, and even perhaps attempt one or two courses. Thank you.